I saw you, so I waited there, and I was about to tell you the खाने में क्या है.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. These no-frills eateries, or lunch homes as they're called, began somewhere in the mid-20th century, feeding home-style meals to workers and mill workers and factory workers.
We make authentic South Indian seafood just like you make at your home.
These lunch homes are not just restaurants, they are living slices of Mumbai's social and culinary history.
This is one of the first Mangalorean restaurants in Mumbai.
Serving coastal food comfort like curries, dosas, and Malwani, Konkani, and Mangalorean specialities. Oh, you get a nice kick when it goes in. आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि ये जो एपिसोड है वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 का, वो है मुंबई के पुराने लंच होम्स पर. ऐसे लंच होम जो लगभग 60-70 साल से मुंबई में वर्करों को खिला रहे हैं घर जैसा खाना, उनके घर जैसा खाना. तो चलो खाते हैं 3 ऐसे लंच होम्स में इस एपिसोड वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 के. लेट्स गो. तो शुरुआत करते हैं मुंबई के फोर्ट एरिया से, जहां है बोरा बाजार स्ट्रीट. उसके कॉर्नर पे है हरीश लंच होम, जो यहाँ लगभग 60 सालों से भी पुराना है. यहाँ मिलता है असली मैंगलोरियन फूड जैसे कोरी रोटी और फिश करी. तो चलो चलते हैं और शुरुआत करते हैं इस एपिसोड का, जिसका नाम है वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 एट हरीश लंच होम. एंड ऑल्सो प्रॉन गसी.
Hello, I'm Vineet Salian. I am the third generation proprietor of Harish Lunch Home. We are a seafood joint and we serve good South Indian cuisine seafood at Harish Lunch Home.
What is the most exciting thing when I come to a lunch home like this is that the next generation has taken over. Now, what is very important is you have to explain to me what is on this table, okay?
Sure.
I want to start from here.
Right.
This
right.
fried fish is a different kind of fish, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a leaf fish, which is a flat fish,
Okay.
which people don't serve it in usually the restaurants because people are not aware about that.
Okay, the surmai.
Yeah.
We've got a kori roti over here.
Right,
Which
right.
is very typical of Bangalore.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. And I'm going to explain that. Tell me quickly what all this is.
Yeah, we have shellfish out here. We have the prawn gussie. We have got a Times Award for this prawn gussie. That's the award.
okay.
Yeah. We have the mutton out here. We have the chicken sukka out here.
Chicken sukka.
And we have the liver pota.
Done. ये राइस पर मैं बाद में आता हूँ. मैं शुरुआत करने वाला हूँ इससे. फ्रेश है फिश, सी वाटर, मसाला लगाया हुआ है, बेंगलोरियन स्टाइल मसाला, क्वाइट टेस्टी. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली के क्योंकि यहाँ डेली लोग आकर खाना खाते हैं, सब फिश है जो फ्रेश है. मेरे कुछ बेंगलोरियन फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनके घर में गया हूँ. उनके घर में जो फ्राइड फिश बनता है ना, तो ऐसे ही बनता है. ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, अभी मैं शुरुआत करने वाला हूँ मैंगलोर के सबसे फेमस डिश से, कोरी रोटी. कोरी रोटी क्या है? कोरी मतलब चिकन. ये एक कोकोनट ग्रेवी में बनती है, कोकोनट करी में बनती है, और ये है रोटी. ये राइस से बनती है, पापड़ जैसी है थोड़ी, और ये क्रिस्पी है. और इसे ऐसे तोड़ते हैं, क्रम्बल करते हैं, और फिर इसके ऊपर डालते हैं करी. And then you mix this all up so that the roti, which is crisp, becomes nice and soggy. उसमें थोड़ा चिकन डालते हैं, और फिर मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब करने की कोशिश करने वाला हूँ, लेकिन आप जब खुद खाओगे तब भी आपको पता चलेगा उसका स्वाद क्या है। एक, ये ज्यादा तीखा नहीं है। दो, इसमें कोकोनट काफी है, लेकिन कोकोनट माइल्ड, जेंटल और बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है। और फिर जो तड़का होता है राई का, मसाले जो होते हैं, जो ग्राइंड किए हुए होते हैं, इट्स क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल। एक होती है कोरी रोटी की रोटी, दूसरा होता है नीर डोसा। नीर डोसा इज लाइक अ राइस पैनकेक बट एक्सट्रीमली लाइट एंड फ्लफी। उसके साथ मैं खाने वाला हूँ मैंगलोर की सबसे फेमस डिश यानी चिकन सुका। चिकन सुका यानी मसाला सुका होता है। इसके मसाले सिमिलर है, लेकिन यहाँ का कोकोनट जो है इट्स मच मोर, हाउ डू आई से, coarse. That's why I love the bite of the coconut that comes in this chicken suka. It's beautiful. I'm also going to try some of this mutton. और ये है, this is the rasam which is going to wash down things and help me digest. Lovely. Oh, you get a nice kick when it goes in. Okay, mutton. Really ghar jaisa. Home style.
The reason this stands out is that we, as South Indian food joint, we don't put in a lot of Ajinomoto or MSGs, which is not that great for the stomach. So we make authentic South Indian seafood just like you make at your home in Mangalore.
ये है मैंगलोर का तीसरा फेमस डिश, गस्सी। पहले तो दिस इज द परफेक्ट साइज ऑफ प्रॉन। इस साइज ऑफ प्रॉन में जो टेस्ट आता है ना, इट इज अनबिलीवेबल। It's not a fully curried gussi. It's just lightly curried, slightly suka, fresh coconut milk, delicious. अरे लिवर तो मैं भूल ही गया। Liver and pota. This is my favorite. These are the spare parts of the chicken. Life is about spare parts, boss. Abhi no Mangalorean meal is finished, complete without rice. And this is my tirade against polished rice. And we have this beautiful, beautiful unpolished rice over here, which I'm going to eat with my fingers. Nice red rice, and nothing tastes better with curry than this rice. And I have some curry here, fish curry. It's khatta, it's sour, it's spicy, it's got coconut, the sourness of tamarind and a little bit of kokum in this. It just hits the spot. Also, what you have to realize is that it's distinctly different from a coconut curry, which is the kori. It's distinctly different from the coconut-based gussi. This fish curry is just mind-blowing. Before I end this lunch home, which is Harish lunch home, let me just again reinforce this, that this food is as close to the food that you can get in a Mangalorean home. I'm going to end this with sol kadhi, which may not be completely Mangalorean, but it's nice.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in minutes.
Come together with Venky's.
लंच होम्स के इस एपिसोड में हम अगले लंच होम पहुंचे हैं, ये है प्रताप लंच होम. Started in 1961, people say this is the first Mangalorean restaurant to open in Mumbai. Today, it caters to not only the local people who want to eat here at reasonable prices, it also caters to a lot of foreigners and a lot of tourists and a lot of society people who want to eat seafood. Seafood like this. But I'm going to take you inside and we're going to eat some fancy seafood but done Mangalorean style. You see, lunch homes also evolve. What to do? Come.
I'm Prashant Amin. My dad started it in 1961. This is one of the first Mangalorean restaurants in Mumbai.
मैंने आपको शुरुआत में ही बताया कि the lunch home, which started as a small home-style eatery, all the way back when workers and mill workers wanted a home-style meal that they were missing from their own homes. People who'd come in from Mangalore wanting to get a taste of Mangalore would come to these places. Today they've evolved and are not only catering to normal middle-class people, also catering to the elite, people with refined taste, people who want a little fancy food, and that is why over here at Pratap, we've laid out some really interesting Mangalorean food, but which is big prawns, big lobster, fish, and this, which is fish cooked in banana leaf or what is called uppamunchi. This is puli munchi, different gravy. This is done with pomfret, lobster chili roast. And this is the prawn ghee roast, which is one of Mangalore's iconic dishes. Of course, I have neer dosas here, which I'm going to eat. So where shall I start? Let me start with this prawn ghee roast, done with tiger prawns, big prawns. You have to take the gravy of the ghee roast, very important. The ghee roast, which has this unbelievably smoky flavor, the taste of real ghee, lots of garlic in it, red masala, and is spicy but extremely flavorful. Quite delicious this is. I've taken one prawn and I had to make 5 pieces out of it because it's such a big prawn. Now this is the uppamunchi, fish cooked in banana leaf. It's a shurmai with green masala. Oh, look how fresh this meat is. Really nice. Beautiful green masala. I can taste the coriander. I can taste the green chilies. It has a nice tangy flavor. Green, spicy. And because it's been cooked in a banana leaf, the leaf imparts its own flavor to this.
Quality, I don't compromise. Even the fish, I go myself to Sasundok, buy the fish.
This is the lobster chili roast. Nice big lobster. So it's cooked in this creamy sauce. While the spices are Mangalorean, it's been adapted to newer tastes. So you've got a sort of semi-North Indian creamy gravy, but the spices are Mangalorean in that.
My dad came to Bombay on the train without a ticket. They were thrown out of the train at Lonavala and they came walking on the tracks to Mumbai. He started his career by washing dishes. He and Sunil Shetty's dad, they were together in Bombay Central. Sunil Shetty's dad bought this restaurant.
Now, one of Bangalore's other famous dishes, puli munchi. First, let me try the sauce, the gravy. Red masala, tamarind, chilies, and the flavor of Bedgi chilies. Let me try some of this. Oh, lovely. The final dish over here is this. We now have a fish Vijayawada, recipe obviously of Vijayawada. It's a coconut curry to be eaten with. I'm so happy that we are back to serving unpolished red rice because that whole era of basmati is being challenged right now with using local rices that should be eaten with curry. I'm a full supporter of this. Again, strong flavor of curry patta, lovely coconut, sour, tangy, spicy. Beautiful. So this was our second lunch home, Pratap Lunch Home. Supposedly one of the first Mangalorean restaurants to open in Mumbai. Started 1961. And there is a very interesting story about this which you will hear.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's Chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drankies.
So the place I've reached is a Mumbai icon. This time हम फोर्ट और फाउंटेन एरिया से बाहर निकल के परेल एरिया में आए हैं। जय हिंद लंच होम शुरू हुआ यहाँ परेल में 1978 में। अब ये लंच होम की एक खासियत है, यहाँ भी बहुत सारे मिल रहते थे और मिल वर्कर्स यहाँ आकर खाना खाते थे, लेकिन यहाँ का खाना पहले थोड़ा मैंगलोरियन था, फिर वो थोड़ा मालवनी बन गया, लेकिन फिर भी ये लंच होम ही है और इनके अभी बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं। इनका जो परेल का सयानी रोड का ब्रांच है वहाँ ओरिजिनल ब्रांच है जो गिरीश के फादर ने स्टार्ट किया था। अब जय हिंद इज अ बिग ब्रांड एंड दे आर नोन फॉर द फैबुलस Mangalorean, Konkani, Malwani food, especially the stuffed bombil. Come, let's go.
My name is Girish Shetty. The place, the initial Jai Hind started in 1978, which my father took over. तभी उन्होंने खरीदा था दादर सैतन चौकी में, सैतन चौकी या सयानी रोड।
जब हम आए जय हिंद में तो मैंने गिरीश को बोला था कि थोड़ा सा ही खाना टेस्ट करूंगा, लेकिन इनका दिल इतना बड़ा है और मेरा पेट बड़ा लगता है, इसलिए इतना सारा खाना मेरे सामने रखा है। अभी कहाँ से शुरू करूं और कहाँ से खत्म करूं ये क्वेश्चन आता है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करता हूं। सो दिस इज द तंदूरी रावस which is a full fish. This is a specialty. It's called agri prawns. I'm going to try them. This is the clam suka, very typically Mangalorean style. This is stuffed fried pomfret. This is tawa, again big pomfret tawa. These are Malbari prawns, and this is the prawn puli bunchi. Now coming this side, this is what Jai Hind is famous for. They're stuffed bombil, the kind of bombil which you've never tasted anywhere before. Two kinds. One is the stuffed bombil. This is the bombil sandwich. One is stuffed with red masala prawns. The other is stuffed with green masala prawns.
Basically, my father was a mill worker. I used to work in the mill and in the restaurant as a waiter, as a manager. 78 में जगन्नाथ तो जो ओनर थे हमारे, उन्होंने बोले कि मैं उम्र हो गई मेरी तो मेरे को बेचना है। So that time my father took a loan of 1 lakh rupees and purchased the property. In very difficult times he took it.
I'll start. You know when the fish is fresh, when it breaks and flakes in this fashion. I know that tandoori is not a preparation that is typically Malwani or Mangalorean, but it is a flavor and a spice that we all like, which is fantastic really. Beautifully garnished with raw onion, limbu, and is as fresh as the sea. I'm going to make some space here because there is more food coming, but I will do it in a minute. Okay, let me try these prawns. Again, I love this size of prawn because these are the tastiest prawns. Beautiful fried, curry leaves on it, little batter, mild spices, beautiful. Now the agri prawns. The specialty of the agri prawns here, from what I can see, is they are with the shell on, which is the way I actually like my prawns also. Suck the masala off the prawns first, and then I'm going to slowly shell the prawn. It's spiced with dark roasted Malwani masala. Lovely. One more dish that has arrived at the table is the gassi. अभी मैं gassi के बारे में आपको कुछ बताता हूँ. I've eaten several gassis in several Mangalorean restaurants. Most of them are thick coconut gravies. We tried one at the beginning of this episode जो एक dry सुकार gassi था. ये एक coconut milk का बनाया हुआ gassi दिख रहा है. I'm going to have it with one neer dosa. It's the most delicately spiced gassi I've eaten. There is no rawness to the masala at all. There's a nice sourness, the spice, the freshness of the fish. It's just, I'm saying, all those people down in Thailand, watch out. Because this is the kind of curry that's a real curry. It's beautiful. Really nice. Okay, now. Let's go for this bombil. This is the bombil stuffed with red prawn masala, shrimp. This is the most iconic dish in Ujjain. Now let's try the bombil sandwich. Stuffed with green masala. Bombil is a fish that is predominantly available in Mumbai. I don't think a bombil or Bombay duck anywhere else in the country. It is so identified with this city. So when you go to a fish joint in Mumbai, you cannot not eat bombil. Okay, now. Prawn puri bhunji. Delicious. I have to have some this here because this is my favorite food in the world. Freshly grated coconut, tossed in spices. Brilliant. Let's try this. Shall I try the tail? When we were young, at home, there would be a fight. We lived in a joint family, and there would be a fight for the tail piece of the pomfret. When some people did not want they did not want this because this is the piece that comes with a hole in it. Tawa fried, beautifully tawa fried, with a little bit of rava on it, I think. Now, the only thing left to eat is one more pomfret, which is stuffed with green chutney. और इससे पहले कि मैं ये मील ख़त्म करूँ, थोड़ी चिकन मालवनी स्टाइल वड़े के साथ वड़ा जो मेरी फेवरेट पूरी टाइप है. Because lunch homes are not only Mangalorean, they can also be a little bit Malwani. Say what? Yes or no? And if you trace the history of Jai Hind back to when it started in the 70s, started off as a Mangalorean joint and is now can be categorized as a seafood joint, which is actually what all lunch homes are really. Their emphasis on seafood, it is fresh home style seafood. तो ये था हमारा एपिसोड मुंबई के पुराने लंच होम्स पर. हमने आपको थोड़ी सी हिस्ट्री बताई लंच होम्स की, कैसे शुरू हो गए लंच होम्स, आज कितने फेमस है, अब भी होम स्टाइल फूड बनाते हैं. हम सिर्फ फोर्ट और परेल तक पहुंचे हैं. इसके बाद हम जाएंगे और जगह जहाँ ऐसे लंच होम्स है. अगर आपको कुछ लंच होम्स पता है जहां हमें जाना चाहिए तो प्लीज राइट टू अस, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, क्योंकि आप कमेंट करोगे तो हम जरूर आपके फेवरेट लंच होम में जाएंगे. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. और जैसे हम कहते हैं, कैच यू नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑन दिस शो विच इज कॉल्ड वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1.